Hi, my name is Peter. I'm a student at Ciudad de Jaén School. I like playing basketball. I also like being funny and making people laugh. Well, I like singing songs at home, but I won't be a singer because my sister says that I'm not good at singing. She likes writing stories. She thinks she will be a hairdresser because she loves cutting and brushing hair at my mother's hairdressers. I really think she'll be a writer in the future because she is very good at writing. I'm not good at writing at all, but she is. My father is a director, and he says that I will be an actor and my sister will be a director. But as I said before, I am completely sure that I will be a comedian. I like acting too, but I'd prefer to be a comedian. I think I'm going to start studying. It's too late, and I need to study for tomorrow's English test. I won't pass the exam if I don't study. I'm good at English, and I'm sure I will pass it. So thanks for listening to me. I have to leave. Bye-bye.
Y no lo olvides, escribe cualquier duda que tengas en el vídeo, en los comentarios y te la contestaré.